I welcome you in this night meditation for calm and peaceful sleep. Friends, sound sleep is an essential function for all of us, which helps us to heal and recharge our body and mind. As per WHO, an adult requires at least 7 or more hours of sleep, and if you don't get enough sleep, you might experience some issues like poor memory, poor focus, low immunity, frequent mood swings, not working with full energy, and majorly weight gain or obesity. So, to have sound and deep sleep, it is necessary to clean your mind from the clutter that has been stored during the whole day process of working. In this meditation, you would learn the process of cleaning your mind from the tension, heaviness, stress, negativity, etc., and to move into deep sleep. Let's begin the meditation. You can sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes softly. Now, start relaxing your body. Keep breathing normally. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Bring your focus on your third eye. That is in between your eyebrows, or we call it brow chakra. Start observing your breathing. Inhale and exhale. Now, slowly make your breathings deep. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Once again, inhale and exhale. Keep doing it. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. No hurry. Now, with every breath, your body is moving into a deep relaxation state. Keep breathing. With every breath, your body is becoming light. Inhale and exhale. Friends, Most of the time, symptoms of stress, negativity, heaviness, or tension are seen in the body and mind. Release all that. So now, when you inhale the freshness and light. And when you exhale, release the pain or heaviness from your body and mind. Start observing your body from top to bottom and see if you find any type of stress, heaviness, or negativity there. Now, focus on your head and visualize there is a slider next to it which is showing the level of your negativity, stress, or any tension. Check what is the level from 0 to 10, where 0 is nil and 10 is the highest in terms of the intensity of stress, heaviness, or any type of negativity. When you inhale the light, inhale the freshness, and release the pain or heaviness when you exhale. And see the level of the slider is coming down. Keep inhaling and exhaling till the time the slider comes down to 0. Now move down to your face and check what is the level of stress, negativity, or heaviness. Release it. Inhale and exhale. Inhale the freshness and exhale this heaviness, negativity, or tension. And see the slider is coming down. It is coming down to 3, 2, 1 and 0. Feel your face is now light, relaxed. Move down to your neck and keep breathing and releasing all the tension from your body. With every breath, your whole body is becoming light. Move down to your shoulders and bring the level of the slider to 0. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Move down to your chest area. Focus on your lungs, your heart, and intestine. See what is the level and start inhaling and release. Bring the level down to 0. Now Move down to your kidney area, your back, which includes spine and your lower back. Inhale and exhale, and the level is coming down to 0. Move down to the joints which are connecting your body and your legs, and bring the level to 0. Once again, focus on your thighs, knees, and inhale, exhale, and see the slider moving down to 0. Your body is becoming light and you are coming into a deep relaxation mode. Move down to your legs, calf, and your ankles, and bring the level to 0. Keep going on and move down to the fingers, toes, and the soles of your feet, and relax them. Bring the level down to 0. Now observe your whole body once again. If you find anything left in terms of pain, heaviness, or tension anywhere in the body, just release that. Inhale and exhale. Now your mind is light and body is completely relaxed to move into deep sleep, to recharge for the next day. All the stress, negativity, tension, heaviness are now cleaned. Now you are in a neutral state to go into deep sleep. Create some good intentions before moving into deep state. Think about the most favorite part of your day. It can be you made someone's day special by helping the person. Someone supported you, helped you. Someone appreciated you for the work you did, or anything you feel was good today. When you think about that event, you feel positive. Now, create some wonderful feelings from your heart and repeat these affirmations after me. Thank you, God, for bringing that event in my life. Thank you for this wonderful day. Thank you, God, for the blessings you showered on me today. I'm so grateful for this wonderful day. My body and mind is happy and ready to move into peaceful sleep. Friends, if you include this meditation in your daily routine, you will experience tremendous results in your life. Now, slowly rub your hands, put them on your eyes, and you are ready to go into deep and peaceful sleep. Thank you for listening to this meditation. Have a good night.